Hi guys, and welcome to the tutorial where we will explain how to connect Hostinger to your Shopify store. So let's get started. The first thing is head over to your store and take a look on the left bottom. You will see your setting icon. Click on it. Once you will click on the option setting, you will get access to your store settings. Scroll down a bit, and here you have to find option domain. Once you see, click on it. Now in the domain section, you will see different options, like connect to existing domain or buy a new domain. So like we have our domain. So we will click on option connect to existing domain. Once you will click on it, here what we have to do, we have to paste our Hostinger domain. So the first thing we will do is we will write www dot after writing move to your Hostinger. And on the home page, you will see your domain. You have to copy this domain. Once you will copy, go back to your Shopify store and here paste the domain. After pasting the domain, click on the option Next, and once you will click on the option Next, this domain is now connecting. Now here we have to do a few more things, so let's head back to our Hostinger. In the hosting site, click on the domain Manage icon. Once you will click on the domain, take a look on the left side. You will see three different options, like Domain Overview, DNS/server names, and domain ownership. From these, you have to select option DNS. Once you will select DNS, here you can manage your DNS records. In this record, we have to delete few things, like CNAME and also ANAME. So the first thing is you have to find both CNAME and ANAME. If I scroll down a bit on the top, you will see to see names, and if I scroll down more, you can see on the last ANAME. So like I said, we have to delete all these. So the first thing I will do is I will delete this ANAME. So let me click on the delete icon. And this record has been deleted successfully. As I said, we also delete the CNAME. So let's swipe up a bit, and here I will delete both CNAME. Let me delete both. And now you can see both are deleted. We will add two things. So the first thing I will add is I will add a CNAME. So that's why I will click on the option type. And here I need to select CNAME after selecting, and I will write www after writing. The targets will be shops.myshopify.com, PPL will be same. Now click on the option Add Records. This record has been added. Now we will add another type, and that will be ANAME, and the point will be this one. No need to worry. I will add both in my description, and so you'll just have to copy and paste here. Once you do click on the option Add Records, on the top, you can see the record has been added successfully. Let's move back to our Shopify store, and here we click on the option Verify Connection. Once you will click on the option Verify Connection, here you have to find your Hostinger website. Let me scroll down a bit. Here, you will see my Hostinger, so click on it, and here click on the Change Domain Type. Once you will click on it. This domain type should be the primary domain. So click on the option Primary Domain and click on the option Change Domain Type. It will be my primary domain. We don't need to go back, simply copy the www.knowledgebasetutorial.com. Once you will copy, I will open incognito mode, and here paste it. After pasting, hit enter. Once you will, as you can see, it will be redirected to my Shopify store. Now my Hostinger has been connected to my Shopify store, and